Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete or deactivate your store in Shopify. Whether you are closing a store, switching platforms, or simply no longer need it, we will walk you through the steps to properly shut it down. Let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, we need to go to Settings. To find Settings, just go to the lower left part of the screen, as you can see. Once you're in Settings, click Plan if you already have a plan. At the bottom, you will see your plan details for your store. In this case, we only have a canceled trial, but if you have an active plan, it will show as a premium or active plan. To remove your plan, just click Cancel Trial. Once you click this, your store will be closed automatically and will no longer appear on your Shopify account. You just need to confirm that you want to proceed. Press Confirm to cancel your plan. This is how we close or delete a Shopify store. Just proceed as shown. There will be a few verification steps. To continue, follow the store closure instructions on screen. Once you have completed those steps, let it continue. As you can see, your store will be closed, and you won't be able to access it unless you resubscribe. All that's left is to confirm that you really want to close or delete your Shopify store. Just make sure you review your subscriptions, orders, and any remaining data before closing your store.